Alright, so I posted a short video on the airbags on a few different platforms. A lot of questions I got was, do the airbags lift the truck? The obvious answer is yes, but how much? Now obviously you don't buy airbags to lift your truck. They have a purpose for hauling. But right now we're at 2 PSI, so pretty much all the way deflated. And from the wheel to the fender we got about 11.5 inches. Pump them up.
2 hours later.
Alright, so right there about 80 PSI, which is just under half of what the bags can go. And we're at 15 inches. So just there we got 5.5 inches off of less than half of the bag. You can definitely see the difference. Obviously it would ride nasty stiff like that, but
I just wanted to see it from this side. That's like the opposite of California lean. That bitch just popped up back there.
I'll come right here and focus on this, and I'll drop it. Just so you can see it drop. There's your answer. Halfway bag pumped up, you get about 5.5 inches. I don't know how much more you get, but